Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about carnation garlands. They're so on trend, and they seem easy, but they can be a little bit tricky. Key is to pop off the carnation and then open it out, fluff it, give it a little massage so it's nice and full. Then, using a needle and fishing line, just thread right through the bottom, coming out, pull it down, repeat, and just continue on. The problem comes in is that they will just keep falling down, and you don't want that. So the trick for the pro is to measure out your distance, and for mine I did them 6 inches apart. You can actually use a ruler, make sure that you're accurate, but I'm going to guesstimate, then using half of a U-glue dash, just take that dash and fasten it directly to the fishing line, then pulling the tab back off. And U-glue has that love-hate because getting that tab off is always a frustration. And in doing that, it'll hold it so that it doesn't go down any further. The top one I haven't glued yet. The others I have, and you can see they all stay apart just the way you want them. Now you know. Fishing line and U-glue dashes, and you can have a fabulous carnation garland.